Hi guys, Hiccup Chicken here. Welcome back. Well, not welcome back, but welcome to Minecraft. I love this game. Let's begin. It should be fun. Should be fun recording it. I hope we get a good spawn. Please, please. Huh? Wait. That's weird. Yesterday this camera didn't work right. Okay. I fixed the controller so it's playable. What was I doing? I've already forgotten how to... I mean, I can go to the Nether soon. I don't need to get food or kill anything yet. Oh my god, I can go mining. This is the best scene. It's probably better now. Stop annoying me. I need your wool. I'm sorry. And you. I've just got to slap you. It's worse for me than it is for you because I'm wasting time. Enough of talking to pretend blocky sheep. Just get one more. Oh, now there's loads of sheep. Cows. Birch. Yes. I don't think birch is that bad. I don't get why people don't really like birch. I quite like it. Why did I just do that? What am I doing with my camera? Okay, it's 7. I need to think. How's it already becoming noon? I've never been in here before. What is happening? I remember playing this game with my friends when I bought Realms. It's quite good. Still have Realms. So we could do like Skyblock in the future and that. We could do random mods. Brilliant texture packs. Resource packs. Whatever. Right, I'm going to need a bed. Let's get that first. That next. That next. I don't need anything else yet. I think this might already be a good spot for a house. So... I don't know, this will be the house for the night. I'll call it like the Birch Monstrosity or something. I don't know. But this should be really fun. I'm going to make loads of parts on this until I beat the Ender Dragon. Which will take me like 700 parts or something. Episode 964. Getting 2 Ender Pearls or something. Is that enough wood to finish off the basic shelter? Probably not enough for doors. But oh well, I'll keep on going. This is also one of the best games ever. I don't know why I didn't record this earlier. I can have little windows there. There we go. The first shelter. Yeah, I'm gonna need a roof. The first ever shelter I've got. Yeah. I mean, I guess it's something. For some random reason, I like placing doors around, because if I'm only using 2, I just love doing this. Anyways. Oh god, what am I doing? Jump on the horse! Wait, no, don't befriend the horse. I'm gonna go caving. Oh my god, how many caves are around here? Give me that. There's caves, lava, water. This is hard. How much coal is there? I'm gonna be blown up in a second or something. I'll pick it up in a second. Oh my god, I need to stop doing that. This is brilliant. I might play on some servers. I love bed wars, cake wars. They're just the same thing. Actually, you can't mine copper with wooden tools. What am I doing? I have no wood on me to get a crafting table. I bought no blocks that I don't want to waste. What is that? I mean, I don't know why I'm confused. It's a game about blocks. Look at that beautiful waterfall. It actually looks quite nice. Minecraft's starting to get better and better. I think caves and cliffs made it way more fun. Oh my god, how much coal? Is that a mine shaft? Nope, just lights. So whilst I'm doing this, I was thinking to maybe find a village, bring them back here, make little trading stands for them or something. Could be kind of cool. Or make them a custom village. I don't think I'm going to need more coal than that. Oh, God. I hate those cave sounds. Oh my god. No, 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 go away. Where is it? There's two, but is that the second? You can't see me because I'm invisible. I said you can't see me. Oh no. Well, I need string. Don't you kill me. It's only day one. This place is fancy. I bet. I was just going to say, there's going to be a creeper. Right there. They need to remove those, whatever they are. I always go, diamonds! Hi. Oh, who cares if I die? I've got to keep inventory on. Don't know why. Go away. Oh, perfect. Just what I needed. Actually, blow up. Yeah, I need stone anyways. Oh, but did I need gunpowder? Yeah. Why didn't I get... Oh my god. I was about to press main menu. Okay, our house is only up there. We can continue with this. Sugar. Underwater caves are the best place to find diamonds, I always say. And I'm always wrong. How have I found no iron and like a million pieces of coal? Oh look, it's iron underwater just when I'm about to drown. Oh god. I don't want to die again. That would be twice in 1 minute. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. I am usually way better at this. I usually never go caving until like the 5th day. Just go running around like a lunatic. How much wool have I got? I heard a witch. Why is there a witch? And why am I trying to take loads of damage? The reason I went down there is because what is that? Oh. It's that deep slate. Well, they do say never dig straight down, so I'm going to dig straight down. Why is there a witch up there? Always dig straight down. Wait, do I have anything? Because that was a stupid idea. Oh my god! This is the most unlucky time I've ever had. Chickens! Oh, do I have seeds on me? Yes! I can make a little farm. And get endless food and more eggs. So I can make more cake. Come on. I can get cookies. Do I have to lure them into my house? I don't really have a base or a shelter, so get in the chicken shack. I forgot to place my bed down. Nope. The chickens aren't leaving. Follow me, chickens. Follow me. Follow me. I feel like, do I need to get fences this early on just to have some chickens breed? Probably not. Yes! Seeds! Lots and lots of seeds. Oh, 2 seeds. That means I can't use my axe. What's the chance there'll be a broken fox that spawns in the wrong place or something? Go! Good boy! No! Chickens! Seeds! Have you seen it? Chicken number 2? Oh, R.I.P. chicken number 2. Hello again, chicken number 2. Come on, you dumb chickens. Oh, a chicken! Come on. Come on, chickens. It looks so weird seeing like a moving army of chickens. Imagine 100 of these and you get seeds. No, hurry up, chickens. I'm gonna eat you. Chickens, this way. This isn't really the action pack. I don't need it to be action pack. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. How do you craft? How do you craft? How do you craft fences? Sticks? I'll craft. I just spent all my wood on dumb fences. No chickens. You stupid, stupid chickens. Get in here. There's not really enough space. Oh, wait, go. Wait, I can do something. Seeds back out. Look, dumb chicken. See? Chicken, no! Nope. Chicken! Look, chicken. Behind you. Me, with seeds. I've got seeds. Seeds. Seeds! Look, chickens. Chickens. Chicken seeds. Get in. Get in, stupid heads. Yes! Finally got all those 2? Oh, you're... No! Lock. What? Oh, I thought they could get out for a second. Stupid. Look. Look, you stupid head. Look. Seeds. 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 All of you get in. All three. No, just lock it up. Get more chickens. Get more seeds. Do some crafting. Get some more sticks. Do I have enough? Nope. I have like no sticks. Okay. It's gonna be quite a hard one. Do I move on to a cow farm or do I just sit there crafting? Did I even sleep? Yeah, I did. I've got 2 levels of experience. Fire charge, what's the point? Just go find structure. What if there's a shipwreck out there? Ooh, I think next episode will be time to adventure. So I need sticks for tools. Go, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Get all of those. Place that with that. Place that with that. That. Oh no, I haven't even organised it yet. Now I sound like I love organising, but how can you play with stuff in random locations? Yeah, I get it, it's late. Wait, I got more seeds? Breed the chickens. You have part 1 of growing up. Yeah, I think it. Oh, have you seen with 1.20? They changed the way you craft boat. Oh, no, they didn't. I thought they changed the way you craft boats. That's what they said. Since when did you need a shovel? That's what they said in the update. Maybe I'm playing on an old version or something. Probably not. No, the main menu was 120.1. MLG. Failed to MLG. Wait a minute. Oh no! This is why my boat's so hard to control. Go forwards. Relax and see. Since when could you twist your body that far? I do want to get some kelp. For no reason. What's that? Go get this on. It'll be like a funny shaped rock. Is that an amethyst geo? Is that amethyst? I swear to hell. That's amethyst. Oh my god, it's an ocean monument. This is the best. It's amethyst. Excuse me? That is crazy. I love these blocks. You make music out of them. Oh, the crystal's ready? Yes, the crystals. Also, remove copper. Like everyone says it, remove copper. Its only purpose is the spyglass. That's still crazy how I found one of these. Oh man. I know I have this pickaxe, but I can come back here another day. Wait a minute. I just put a marker in the middle of the sea. A massive material wasting wooden marker. There we go. Then whenever I see that, I know down there's... Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's a monument. Do I dare get mining fatigue for like 20 minutes? Yeah, I do dare. Oh, give me the fatigue. I know I'm about to get it. But I like these structures, you know? What's the point in going to them? Besides Prismarine. Yep, there he is. How long do I get? 5 minutes? All I wanted was 4 bits of Prismarine. I could just do terraforming. Hello? Don't use that me. What have you given me? Oh, whatever. I'll keep adventuring. I'll just explore. What's the worst that can happen? Wait. Oh, there it is. It's very shiny. All I wanted was some lanterns. Or some sea pickles. Oh my god, that's not worth it. I'm just gonna go in. Oh, hate mining fatigue. Why did they add it? It's got 0 purpose. Oh, now I'm gonna die. I'm going back under with 4 bubbles. I know I'm gonna die, but I've got to kill something. Trident Man! Oh, Trident Man killed me. Didn't want to die like that. Okay. Oh, I could get a bow, I can get a bow, I can get a bow, I can get a bow. Yeah! Got some random stuff. Oh, hello. Get in the boat. You've been very... You're not going to blow up. My boat! Oh, my boat. Ugh, I have to fill it back in. Or else this beautiful mountain will just look hell ugly. I'll do it as much as I can. If I run out of materials, I honestly don't care. I don't know, I'm just going to place dirt in random places. There could be a new cave or something, I don't know. I don't really care. Wait. I can see like that way is amethyst. I'm gonna go up those mountains. I think I'm gonna end episode 1, so it'll be about 25 minutes in. But that doesn't really matter. As long as I can swim up this nice looking waterfall. Get to the top of the mountain. Oh, beehive! I'm obsessed with breaking them. I don't know why, it's just fun. If I did it in real life though, I'd probably be stung to death. But in Minecraft it's really fun. Just go punch, 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 and the angry party of bees just comes out. Environmental destruction. Oh my god, it's just flat. There should be a village. Is this Java or Bedrock where you don't take damage? Okay, I'm never going to do that again. It's definitely Java. There's gotta be a village. I need to raid it, destroy it. That idea about me taking them back is way too far away. Now, I know I'll need a dog at some point. So I'll get flowers to turn into dye. Wait, why do I need red? Gold. Village! Yes! Hell yes, finally! A village. So I don't know, but I think we should explore it in the next episode. Or is that a cliffhanger? If it's a cliffhanger, that's good. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you all later. Bye!